I did not do that to your hose.
Huh?
I did not do that to your hose. Because it's been like that since I mowed.
I know, I'm gonna throw it away.
Okay.
Because it got kinked last year and it ain't gonna come undone.
Okay.
So it needs to be thrown away. Somebody did it to it, but it don't matter.
I'm sorry.
No, I don't think it was you.
Oh.
I need to take the sprinkler head off. I don't have time right now.
Here, I'll do it for you.
Yeah, and that hose can be thrown away, but I can do it later.
Do you want the water spigot?
I want the sprinkler, yeah. I'm gonna throw both those things away. I'm gonna go buy a new one.
Alright.
I had a real good one and somebody ran over it and it had a few holes and the boyfriend said, oh, it's too bad. So he gave me that hose and it had more holes in it than the one I had
Yeah.
that he made me throw away. So you get rid of the boyfriend, right? Already
Yeah.
did.
I'm gonna put this in the trash for you.
Alright, see what how got it?
Sure.
You got it?
Yeah, I got her.
Alright. Just because I don't have time to help you. Thank you for doing that for me. Here's a few dollars for you.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome.